Alright, so this video is going to be on multiplying decimals. When we multiply decimals, we use the same steps that we do when we do traditional multiplication. When we add and subtract them, it's really important that we line our decimals up, but when we multiply decimals, we actually do not line our decimals up. We just line the last digits up with each other, even though they are different places. So if I write this vertically, it just so happens that my decimals are lined up here, but they don't have to be. So we're going to multiply going across just like we do with regular multiplication. So I'm going to start down here. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down 5, carry the 1. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26. And then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Now, when we are deciding where we put the decimal, we have to count the number of places that are after the decimal and the two numbers that we're multiplying. So 15 and 3/10 has one place, and then 5/10 has one place. So that means that our answer needs to have two places after the decimal. So right now this is a whole number, and I'm going to write, so here's a place, here's a place. So my decimal has to go here, so that I have two places to the right of the decimal. You can also rewrite your number, and any whole number, even though there's no decimal written there, there's actually one at the end, like that. So then they can count, there's two places, so I need to move that decimal two places. And so 7 and 65/100 would be my answer. So let's do one where the decimals don't line up. So I have 13 and 24/100 times 0 and 154 thousandths. So I'm going to write this vertically so that the last place is what's lined up. So I want the 4 and the 4 to be lined up. So now I'm going to go across and multiply by like regular. And move over to the tens place, put one placeholder 0. Times 2 is 10 plus 2. And I'm going to add these numbers up. Okay, so now I've got, this looks like 203,896, but up here, my numbers that I'm multiplying have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So my answer needs to have 5 places after the decimal. So I'm going to put my decimal here at the end, and then I'm going to move it 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my decimal will go in between the 2 and the 0. So hopefully that helped with multiplying decimals.